By April 30, Dogecoin is forecasted to lose 2.2%, according to coin price forecast. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. At this hour, Dogecoin is up 2.8% over the last 24 hours and holding near $0.10224. Here come the forecasts from our analysts. CoinCodex suggests the value could drop to $0.10121 by April 30, marking a decrease of 1%. CoinDataFlow sees potential for Dogecoin to drop to $0.10097, a decline close to 1.2%. Digital coin price highlights the outlook for dropping to $0.10016, a potential decrease of 2%. A separate projection from coin price forecast highlights Dogecoin may move lower to and 10 cents, an estimated decrease of 2.2%. And lastly, Traders Union believes in a fall to $0.09986 by tomorrow. That's 2.3% below now. This is the most rewarding projection. Those are the expert forecasts. Let's turn the page. We've gathered all the predictions. Here's the analytical view. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a decrease of 2.3% and a decline of 1%, depending on the analyst. By the look of it, Traders Union is calling for the highest return with 2.3% gain in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could receive between $10 and $23 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, CoinCodex's forecast has the greatest likelihood of being correct at 80%. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. The consensus forecast indicates Dogecoin could decline roughly 1.7% by tomorrow. So, here's the breakdown. Consensus projections show the price down by about 1.7%. To put it plainly, your capital might grow by about 1.7% in step with that move. In terms of 1,000, the projection might equal $17 in potential gain. And in this scenario, the consensus forecast is given a likelihood of about 73.8%. Before diving deeper, let's take a look at the 3-day projections. CoinCodex indicates that prices could dip further. CoinDataFlow anticipates sideways movement, with Dogecoin hovering within a tight trading band. Meanwhile, digital coin price suggests calm conditions with prices steady. Coin price forecast highlights building pressure to the downside. Traders Union anticipates the price holding steady. Consensus analysis indicates Dogecoin facing a bearish path across the 3-day outlook. In total, 80% of analyst opinions project Dogecoin heading lower. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they lined up with the market. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $0.09933. The market close showed that only 2 forecasts pointed the right way. The prediction with the highest precision was made by CoinLore. Let's put all pieces in place. The daily candle included 2 forecasts. And about ROI, there were multiple profitable forecasts, topped by 30 rates at 2.3%. On screen now is the recap view, a compact overview of forecast performance. The data for CoinDataFlow shows 70.6% forecast probability, 0.20's $3,167 accuracy, and minus 1.1% ROI. See if you can find the analyst who was most on point. Let's see how tomorrow's projected performance compares among several cryptocurrencies. According to tomorrow's forecasts, Dogecoin is expected to show the best performance with 1.7%. For now, this table shows 5 assets, and a fuller comparison across many cryptocurrencies is already on my website. If timing matters to you, make sure you're subscribed. See you back here tomorrow.